I was just at the park and I was getting ready to do Brother Friend, and look who showed up right back there. Oh, it's Miss Crisler. So we're gonna do a socially distant Brother Friend. Here we go. You're my brother, you're my friend, you're my beginning and my end. You're all around me when the world turns and walks away. You're my sunshine on a cloudy day. You're the rain to wash my blues away. And I can always count on you, 'cause you're my brother, you're my friend. Woo! Good morning, it's April 6th. This is our first Monday not to be in the church sanctuary. It's kind of sad, but yeah, we're not there, but we are outside, and it's a beautiful morning this morning in the park. And this morning I want to talk about leadership. That's our thought for the week. That is the something that we emphasize on our student covenant, and I think we emphasize it a little differently than a lot of the world does, though. We look to Philippians 2 as the example for the leadership that we want to model. And Philippians 2 explains to us that Christ, the very creator of the universe, the Son of God himself, didn't hold on to his rights as something to be held on to. He humbled himself to death on a cross. And that's the kind of leadership we want to model. I think it's a great week for us to think about that. It was just Palm Sunday. And as Mr. Atkins reminded our church on Sunday, a lot of people on Palm Sunday thought Jesus was the Messiah that was going to ride into town and to kill their enemies. But he didn't. He rode into town and he died for their enemies. And I think that's a humbling thought for us as what type of leaders we want to be. And so I encourage you today to be that type of leader. Don't be the type of leader that the world recognizes as someone who knows how to get their way or get things done. But be the type of leader that's willing to lay down your rights and your comfort for the advancement of a kingdom that's far greater than any kingdom that we have here. All right, good morning. It's time for announcements. Currently, our Kirtaman standings, Candidi 203. Good job, Candidi. And Kairuli coming in at 161. That's after 3 points on Friday for the trivia. Neva, Shodaker, Gracie Phillips, and Will Kirkland all found 3 things that were different about Friday's announcements. And they were the first 3 to answer, so good job. 3 points for your team. The one I was going for was, of course, my Corona cut. I can't go to the barbershop anymore, so I had to pull out the clippers and cut my own hair. So I suppose at this point I'll be at a thrift shop looking for a wig that makes me look like a medieval warrior. And if you know the reference, the movie reference for that one, send it in. I'll take the first 5 responses for points for trivia there. So a wig that makes me look like a medieval warrior because I buzzed my head. Okay. Hey, short week this week. No school on Friday or Monday. That's exciting. So guys, hang in there. It's funny to think that a break will be welcomed, but we've really started to move along, and you guys are settling in, and I think we're working hard, and we're able to stay up on what we're supposed to be doing. So that's a good thing, and a break's a good thing. So work hard and play hard. The culture concept this week is leadership. So send in stories about ways that you've exhibited leadership or that you see your friends exhibiting leadership. I want to. You can nominate a friend for Warrior of the Week, and I want to pick a Warrior of the Week. And I'm still accepting nominations for last week. Community, if you want to nominate someone for that for Warrior of the Week, I'll also accept those for last week. Also, last week I really enjoyed getting to share pictures with you guys of kind of things you were doing. So send some more pictures in. I'd love to give you some participation points for that as well. And more than anything, I'd just love to be able to share with you kind of some different things that we're all doing. And so send those in. I'd love to include them on Thursday's announcements. Don't forget about the Warrior 5K and Fun Run. That is coming up. Get signed up. Get out there. Get running. It's going to be a lot of fun. And finally, we got birthdays this week. Chandler Weaver has a birthday on Wednesday. and I believe Sophia Kessler has a birthday on Friday. So happy birthday, guys. To all of my Eastwood family, I miss you guys. And I look forward to seeing you again someday. But who knows when. But hang in there. And Eastwood family, I love you. Have a great day.